Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video begins with a clear explanation of the topic, breaking it down in a simple and easy to understand way. Picture a plate with warm sweet rice, cool juicy mango, and rich coconut cream on top. That is mango sticky rice, one of the most loved desserts from Thailand and Southeast Asia. It is simple, pretty, and full of bright flavor. People love this dish because it feels both special and comforting. Traditional mango sticky rice uses only a few ingredients, but the mix of warm rice, silky coconut, and fresh fruit feels like more than the sum of its parts. In this video, you will learn what it tastes like, the basic ingredients, how to make it at home in a simple way, and easy tips to get it right the first time. What is mango sticky rice and why is it so popular? Mango sticky rice is a classic Thai dessert made with glutinous rice, coconut milk, sugar, salt, and ripe mango. The rice is cooked until chewy, then soaked in sweet coconut sauce so it turns glossy and rich. It is usually served on a plate with sliced mango on the side and a drizzle of extra coconut cream on top. You will find this Thai mango sticky rice dessert in street markets, casual food stalls, and fancy restaurants. In Thailand, it is especially common during mango season, when fruit is sweet and cheap. Families also enjoy it at home as a comfort dessert, and some regions serve it during festivals or holidays. So, what does mango sticky rice taste like? It is soft, creamy, and lightly sweet, not heavy like some cakes. The rice gives a satisfying chew, the coconut adds richness, and a tiny bit of salt keeps the flavor balanced. The fresh mango brings brightness and a tropical scent that keeps each bite from feeling too rich. Flavor, texture, and what to expect in your first bite. Your first spoonful will probably surprise you. The sticky rice feels a bit like sushi rice, but softer, richer, and coated in coconut cream. It clings to the spoon and has a gentle chew that makes you want another bite. The coconut sauce tastes sweet with a hint of salt, so it reminds some people of salted caramel, but lighter and more tropical. Then the mango cuts through all that creaminess. It is juicy, sweet, and a little tangy, which keeps the dessert from feeling too sugary. Warm rice plus cool mango makes a nice contrast, almost like a warm brownie with ice cream, but in a fruity way. A short look at the history and Thai roots of mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice started in Thailand, where people have used glutinous rice for many snacks and desserts for a long time. Sticky rice is common in Southeast Asia, especially in northern and northeastern regions, because it is filling and easy to shape into small portions. As tourism grew, visitors tried mango sticky rice from street vendors and local restaurants, then went home talking about it. Thai restaurants around the world added it to their menus, and it quickly became a favorite. The dessert is most popular in the hot season, when mangoes are at their best and everyone wants something sweet, cool, and refreshing after a spicy meal. Ingredients for mango sticky rice and how to make it at home. You do not need special tools to make this dessert, just a bit of planning. The most important part of good mango sticky rice is the rice itself and how it soaks up the coconut milk. Once you understand the basic steps, you will know how to make mango sticky rice that tastes close to what you get in a Thai restaurant. Here are the key mango sticky rice ingredients and a simple method for home cooks. Key ingredients you need for classic mango sticky rice. That ends the first part of the discussion. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.